Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Emergency SOS section. Following that, scroll all the way down. Select Set up emergency contacts in Health and tap on Edit at the top right corner. Now you can finally scroll down and click on Add Emergency Contact located under Emergency Contacts. Finally, you can select the one that you wish to set up and pick the proper option from the list, in my case, Friend. If you wish to, you can click on Add Emergency Contact again and add all the other ones you need. If you wish to delete one of them, select this red icon next to the one that you wish to get rid of and click on Delete on the right. Finally, to save your emergency contacts, click on Done at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!